Hey everyone, welcome back to KaranXKalipur. I am Karan, a class 10 student just like some of you, and I am here to share my own board exam preparation journey with you. I know how stressful this time can be, but I am hoping that by sharing my experiences, we can stay motivated and focused together. So let's begin this video. Segment 1, my study routine. As Albert Einstein once said, education is not the learning of facts, but the training of mind to think. I try to stay focused and organized with my study routine. I wake up early in the morning, exercise, and then dive into my studies. I make sure to take breaks and reward myself for a milestone achieved so further. Segment 2, how I manage my stress. This can be useful for many of my viewers. So Nelson Mandela said, the greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. I remind myself that it's okay to make mistakes and take breaks to relax. I prioritize self care, whether it's going for a run, practicing yoga, or simply hanging out with my loved ones. Segment 3, my revision strategy. Steve Jobs said that your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. I make the most of my time by focusing on my weak areas and practicing past papers. I also create concept maps to visualize complex concepts and make them easier to remember. My segment 4, staying motivated as much as possible. Winston Churchill said that success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. I remind myself why I am working hard and celebrate small wins. I also surround myself with positive people who encourage me and motivate me to do my best. Conclusion part. Let us come to the conclusion part. That's it for today's video. I hope you found my board exam preparation journey helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to KaranXKalipur, hit the notification bell, and share this video with your friends. We are in this together, and I am rooting for each and every one of you. Thanks for watching, and all the best for your exams. Remember, you are capable, talented, and unique individuals with so much to offer. Keep pushing.